everybody, Ramadan Mubarak. So for you who doesn't know what is Ramadan, it's a holy month for all Muslims where we do not eat from the dawn until sunset. So it is very important to have a healthy meal before the sunrise. So that is why in this video we are going to unbox this Kenwood Multipro food processor. So let's see it. As you can see, we received a lot of tools, so let's quickly wash them and start preparing some healthy food. Now that we wash all the elements, let's prepare some fresh orange juice. So the important thing is when we are setting this element is that you fully click it until the end. So until you don't hear this sound, it will not start working. But now it is fully locked and it will work. So let's try putting all of this together. I have 6 oranges and see will it work and how much juice we will get. So as you can see, I cut it only on half. Let's see will it work like that. And also there is seeds inside the oranges, so let's see how it will handle that. As you can see, this task was pretty easy, so you can either drink it like this, or if you want to make it even more better, you can filter this out. So if you have some kind of cup like this, you can use this filter and then only the juice will go out. So let's try that, but it's a bit dense, so let's see how it will work. Yeah, it's too dense for this filter.
A great success!
So this will be very hard to extract it. But you can drink it like directly like this, and it's very good. We need to wait now for the night to be able to try it. Let's now prepare something else for the iftar.
Actually, you don't make, orange juice like this.
Let us try now another one, and this one should be less challenging. So this one is for salad, and we will try to cut some potatoes and mushrooms with this one. So for this one we need to put this additional one here and then lock this one. Again, make sure to click. As you can see, very easily. And now the final delicatesse is to prepare oats with all of these additional things. So let's start with oats. Almond. Fruits. And now put some milk. So I don't know, should I put the milk first or last? But let's see, will this work? perfect suhoor meal. Bon appetit! The final message will be that we don't need to eat too much for suhoor and iftar. Something like this will be enough for the whole day, and it will keep you fresh so you are not thirsty. So have a nice iftars during the night. Assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon you.